Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you a slightly confusing round.
Is this crypto? Is this precious metals? What are we looking at, Michael?
It's all over the shop, this one. So this is for the crypto and the non-crypto. If you've always wanted to hold an Ethereum, do we have a surprise for you?
the Bitcoin round, obviously the one we've had through previously in this same kind of ilk, has been, I always used to make the comment about it's for when you want an article about Bitcoin, you can take your own stock photo, because they always seem to have a real life, representation of a Bitcoin, and it's always a silver or gold round just like this. So now you can write an Ethereum article and have the same.
You can.
But yeah, bit of an interesting crossover, this one.
It is, and it's actually a really well designed coin. So, and yes, I did call it a coin.
Yes.
So we'll have a quick squiz at this. So you can see there, it's got the circuit board background, which they did with the Bitcoin as well.
Yep.
And I'm reading upside down here, so I might get this slightly wrong, but the future of finance printed across the top. Then the big Ethereum, decentralized digital currency.
That's it.
Well, Ethereum might be, but this is 1 ounce of silver. But interestingly enough, for a decentralized currency, this is very centralized. So it is a coin. It's from New A, and you can see there it's actually got a value of $2. So an interesting conundrum.
That's it.
A decentralized currency that actually is centralized. Work that one out.
I quite like the seal. It feels like a little bit more complex seal than I've seen out of New A before. So yeah, a cool one to see.
Yeah, look, this one's actually been really well produced. It's not a slap together one. It's actually quite good. It's a limited edition. They're only manufacturing, correct me if I'm wrong here, Rubes, 10,000?
10,000 of these, yep.
10,000 of them.
And we didn't get a whole lot.
We did not get a whole lot, but we did get a few. So if this is in your wheelhouse, if you know someone that's into Ethereum and you're looking for, let's face it, Christmas is racing up against us. If you're looking for a present for someone, anything along those sort of lines, we've got them in for a very short period of time. Again, these come naked, but we will encapsulate. If you're buying a few of them, we'll encapsulate them. Obviously, we're not encapsulating whole tubes of them, but we'll certainly encapsulate a few if you need.
Very, very cool product. No, very, very cool product. Interested to see, if there's any more in this kind of series as we go through. I remember some Dogecoin ones a few years back. I don't know if we'll ever extend into something like that, but yeah, I love these kind of hybrid products. They're cool to see.
It's good fun. That's it for now. We'll talk again very, very soon. See ya.